Happy Hoarder here, and welcome to Vlogtober Squad's All the Fall Vibes, hosted by Lady Allie of Glam Elegant Living, with her co-host, Creations by Simone, the Rodgers House at Penny's Place, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Amethyst Adventures, and me, a Happy Hoarder. This week's challenge was to create a Friendsgiving tablescape or tabletop area or any areas. Alternately, we could do a shop along haul or decorate with me, a room tour, full home tour, or any freestyle of our choice, as long as it was decor related. I decided to start with a DIY, and I found these chargers at my favorite store, Rolling Hills Ministries thrift store, and I started by removing the words like bridegroom and the names of the bridesmaids and groomsmen. I base coated them with a chalkboard black paint, and then I came back with some gold and silver. Now, my silver spray, it was messed up, and I like to call that my SFX sprays for special effects, and I don't know why, but it spit everywhere, so it made a big mess, and it was great to work with. I also had gold that was doing that, so I just randomly sprayed all over the place. Now, I say random. I did go back and work on it until I kind of got a little bit of evenness going on. I wanted chaotic organization. How about that? Yeah, so I did have a lot of fun doing this. I encourage you to at least do one in your life. Make some crazy plates like this. I did go back and forth with my golds and silvers, so I have a lot of layers and a lot of depth was created by doing it this way, and came back with black a couple of times. So you can watch along and see what I did. So finally, I thought it would give it more of a finished look if I put a gold rim around the edge, and I did this by kind of turning my brush on the side and just side brushing it around the edge, and that way it just barely touched the edge and it gave it a nice clean line. And I did it both on the plate up and with the plate down to kind of give it a little bit of a rounded edge. So yeah, that was a little bit challenging. I'd never done it before. And you know, it gets kind of boring when you have that many plates to do. But that is a really good quality gold leaf paint, and I do recommend that over pretty much anything. I wanted something fun to use with my wedding china, which is the Lenox Eternal. And I also have Lenox Monroe. So I put those together. Even though there's burgundy in the stripes going around the Monroe, it looks so good with the purple placemats. And what an interesting color to put with the orange. It still kind of has a little Halloween-y feel, but I've also morphed it into fall. And I love my little pumpkin plates. I thought about using them for Halloween, but you know what? They're just too cute for that. They definitely need to be more of a fall table. So I had a fun time putting this arrangement together. Now I do have some Halloween stuff still up because, well, it is still Halloween in this time of the year. So my house is decorated. But I did try to tone down the table and my side table and my buffet. I'm really enjoying those tiered tray things that I put together, and I'm using it on many videos this month. So yeah, you'll see a lot more of it. So yes, this was a fun little combination to put together. I love amber glass. I really do. Yeah, that and cobalt, you know, it's just my thing. So I did bring out the good old amber glasses for that, and then these beautiful glasses that I really love, these wine glasses that I found at Rolling Hills Ministries, and they're very, very nice crystal glasses. I find some of the coolest things there, I know. Yeah, my plates are very unusual, but fun. I mean, you kind of want some things that you do yourself, you know? And I'm using a black scarf that's actually a bathing suit wrap. It's got the beautiful gold running through it, so I definitely wanted to put that in to my decor. So there's my buffet and just more and more candles. I'm a little candle crazy. I really enjoy using candles, and I definitely enjoy filming everything by candlelight. I like eating by candlelight, don't you? thank Allie once again for putting together these great collaborations and these groups of ladies that are just always so wonderful to work with. I love watching their videos, and I hope you will join me and hit those likes and subscribe to their channels and watch all the videos on the playlist in the description below. Thanks for watching, and please hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't. And hit that notification button because sometimes I make pretty good videos. Be sure you check out my Spookalicious Tablescape on October 26th at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Bye!